So your earnings in real estate, they don't really have to be defined by the average earnings, right? But the average realtor makes about 46,000 a year. That's every year. Now, if you think about real estate, we most of the time do not have health benefits. We do not have 401ks, right? So out of that 46,000, you're probably paying at least 25 to 35% in taxes, depending on your situation. So make sure you put that money away. So it's really not a lot of money to sustain a family and kids and a husband and a wife and different things like that. However, the top 10% of realtors make about $150,000 or more. Now, I've been on the bottom range of the scale, which sucks a lot. But if you don't quit and you keep working hard in this business, you can get to the top. Me personally, to break 150,000 took about 7 to 8 years, we'll say. And I think a lot of people do not even break that threshold. So if you're looking to grow your business, just remember, it's okay to start slow. But most realtors make 40,000, 45,000 or less. And on the higher end of that scale, you're looking at about 100,000 or more. Now, then you go to the top 5 percentile and the top 1 percentile, and then you're talking about millions of dollars, which I think is why most people get into the business. But you just have to understand, stay in your lane, focus on your journey, and if you're serious about the business, you should have longevity, right? It's not something you're just going to get in and most of the time just make a killing and leave, right? I think a lot of times what most people realize is once you get into the business, it does take hard work and to develop yourself just like any career choice. So if you're looking to get into real estate, make sure you think about that and think about what your future career choices will be for the next 5 or 10 years, because that's really what it could take and the amount of time that it could take for you to be a successful realtor.